good, YouTube? Drip and Drift here. Today we are doing something a little fun. The water cup challenge from Initial D. To get in the spirit, we got that D&D tofu on the side of the whip. But before we do anything fun, just like with everything with this car, we have to work on it. Broke a couple things at our first drift event, the Shakedown. So we got to replace a fuse and check the high pressure line for the power steering pump. We were getting a leak. So before we do our challenge, let's get that done, then we can have some fun. So this O-ring, it's not broken. It came with the fittings, but it did not come with the line itself. So I'm gonna remove them, see if that's the problem. If it's not the problem, I'll put it back in and try to figure something else out. But today we're gonna take them out and see if that stops the leak. We got some more of that Volvo power steering oil. This shit's expensive. It's like $30 for this bottle. And this is my third one. So, yeah. Fill this girl back up. Should use a funnel, but we got it like that. Now all that's left is to throw that fuse in. Then we should be good to go for Chally. New fuse. Slide it right in there. Other side. So, 1990 240SX does not come with a cup holder, but it does come with a change holder. Remove the change holder, and now we have our cup holder. Did somebody order some tofu? No. Alright, so we got our water filled up in the cup. We got our camera on the water. This is a test run to Publix to see how we do. Then from Publix back home with the tofu, we're gonna hit it a little harder. Takumi always drove on mountains. We're in Florida, so we get straight lines. But it'll be good. Not a drop spilt in this bad boy. Look down at it. Look down at it. Not a drop spilt. So I guess I need to fill it up a little bit more. Let's go get that tofu. Alright, so we spilt no water on the way here. So we're gonna have to fill this up a little bit more. Fill it up to the top. All right. Ooh. And we picked up the tofu right in the back. So let's deliver it. I really gotta finesse it. bit spilled, just a little bit. We gotta make this light though. We're delivery, we gotta make this light. Oh shit. Oh. Oh. We didn't spill any there. God, I love this car, but I might trade it in. I want to keep it, but I am gonna get a 350Z, and if I do trade it in, I could put more money, but I want to save this for a few years, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do yet. We shall see. Oh, green. Oh, we spilled some more. The Fujiwara family would not be happy about our Publix tofu, but it was the best we could find with such little time. Oh shit! Spill it, Mark. Did somebody order tofu? I don't know. You guys decide, did I fail or not? Definitely some water came out. Are we not allowed to spill a single drop? In that case, I failed. But, looking at the glass mostly full, did I succeed? You guys decide. I'm gonna do some more challenges like this, as well as possibly some videos in the studio talking about different things. So be on the lookout for those. Drip and Drift fam, we out of here.